Hey gang, Fitz, Illuminate Landscape Designs. Hey, one of the things I want to do, we get a lot of calls for service, and oftentimes it's something simple. So I want to do a few videos here and give you guys some feedback as to what to look for if your lights quit working. Okay guys, if you walk down the side of your house, you're going to see a box that looks like this. It's usually stainless steel. Okay, inside here, right there, you're going to see this switch. So this says off on this side and on this side. So this is one of the first things you want to check. Make sure that this switch is in the on position. If you turn it on and it immediately trips back, call us. That means you probably got a cut cable or something else going on. Okay, so let's start with that one. I'll be posting some more information for other things to look for in the next video. Thanks for watching.